Welcome everyone, Kevin LaRocca here with Binary Pro Strategies. Today is October 9th and it is a Tuesday, and this is a recap of the trades that I made in chat today. It was a fairly choppy day today. Had a lot of good EOM at the beginning of the day, and then it was very sporadic. It would come and go, kind of like what we've been seeing for the last few days. And actually, I did a trade a little bit more than I liked to trade. But I wanted to show you something here on my very first trade, and this is called the once and done. And I like to hit my first objective out of the gate. And once again, as of yesterday, I had a once and done. And this is a chart up here that I wanted to show you. It's actually of the U.S. Japanese yen, and I had two core strategy trades. Whoops, had what I call two core strategy trades, and this is a strategy that I recommend everybody learn before you move into my nibble strategy. The nibble strategy, if you've listened to any of my prior videos, it's a little bit tougher to trade, and it has more subjectivity to it than the core strategy. The core strategy is pretty black and white in terms of how you're going to take your signal, whether you're going to be buying it or selling it. The only discretion part of it is the strike price, and I show you how to get around that so you're selecting the best strike price. But nonetheless, I wanted to show this to you. This is a 5-minute chart up here of the US yen, and this is the 1 minute. And this was my first trade out of the gate, which was a sell. You can see on the 1 minute exactly where I entered that sell position and expired profitably. And then the next trade out of the gate was also a winner, and that was another follow-up core strategy trade, which actually was a win. Then I went into trading the nibble strategy, and I really got chopped up a little bit today, to be quite honest with you. And all said and done, not a great day. I was down for most of the day and really came back at the end of the day to make $12.75. But when I put it in perspective, making over 1,000 yesterday, still having a really good week so far. So nonetheless, that's kind of it right now. Tomorrow, once again, I will have an update of the trades that I call out in chat. If you would like to learn more about my core strategy, just hang tight here to the end of this video, and I'll tell you how you can get your hands on it for free. I'm not charging for that course. I'm not charging for the fundamental video right now, and it really kind of goes into some of the basic things that I look at when I am trading the core strategy. And so I think it'd be helpful no matter how you trade these markets. I think some of the things you're learning there would definitely improve your trading. And also, if you do want to join us, obviously I go into a lot more depth exactly what I'm looking for, and I have more trading videos that goes over more specifics and more in detail on every component of the core strategy. So nonetheless, hang tight. If you don't have the fundamental video, tell you how to get your hands on it right at the end of this video. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday on the 10th, for the next update. Take care. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades, because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts, and I make my trades, and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the course strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and/or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. I wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.